Here is the MIPOS technology tutorial video. Today I will teach you how to pair the pager ID. First, press the center button and the right button in the same time. There will be a two red indicator light on, and then press the number that you want to change. Finally, press the code. Let me do one times. There will be a big sound and vibrate when the function is successfully. Okay, let me change this pager back to the 13 number. Thanks for watching today's videos.